Madlang people, mabuhay. Mini-miss you. Charot lang. Charot. Advance Merry Christmas to all of us, guys. Good morning kung morning pa. Good evening kung good evening na. Advance Merry Christmas. And of course, today is birthday of Kuya Viking. So, happy birthday, Kuya Viking! Yay! Happy birthday, Kuya! Happy birthday, Kuya! Ayan, happy birthday, Kuya Viking. Thank you for being you talaga. You're such an angel to my channel. Thank you so much for being so kind and generous to me and to everyone, especially in my channel, because you are always my sponsor at the same time my super chatter and my long time member. Thank you so much, Kuya Viking. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best talaga, all the happiness in life, especially today because today is your birthday, December 19, 2025, diba? At saka pinaka-wish ko talaga, of course, yung good health, no? Pinaka number one ko talaga yung i-wish talaga, guys, sa lahat ng mga birthdays and to all of us, good health, because if we have a good health, everything will be follow talaga, no? So, kaya, golden number one. Second is the perfect happiness talaga. So, syempre, alam ko yung perfect happiness ni Kuya kung makasama na niya si Madam Usang. Di ba, Kuya Viking? Di ba, Kuya Viking? Sana ay matupad na yan soon. So, for today, babatiin lang namin ikaw because today is your birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya! Once again. But wait, there's more. Meron akong. I have a little bit surprise for our friends who give us a birthday greetings to Kuya Viking. Okay, Kuya Viking, watch the videos of our friends who are participating or who are they sending you a birthday video birthday greetings to our friends in YouTube. Ayan. Watch this, Kuya. Happy birthday once again. Ayan, panoorin ang mga videos nila, birthday greetings from our YouTube friends. Okay, Kuya, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Viking! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Hi, Kuya! Happy birthday! Yan, Kuya, thank you so much for sharing your blessings to me and the others and for the Ate Mer's channel. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay handsome and super generous person. More blessings to come and more blow to candle. And I wish na sana hindi ka magsawang sumuporta at sana wag mo ring iwan si Ate Nurse at lalong-lalo na kami sumusuporta sa inyong dalawa. Happy birthday, Kuya! Enjoy your day and enjoy your life. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Happy birthday, Kuya! See you soon. Bye!
Happy birthday, Sir Viking. Handsome boy, God bless, more birthdays to come, good health, and take good care of yourself always. Thank you for all the blessings.
Hi, Kuya Viking! Ayan, happy birthday, Kuya Viking. Hope you had a great day today because it's your birthday and you need to enjoy it and with Ma'am Asang, of course. Ayan, Kuya, thank you so much, Kuya, for being super duper generous to us and always sharing your blessing to us. And I hope you had a great day and your wish will be granted soon when the Lord will give it to you. And of course, Sis Merns, thank you so much, Sis Merns, for inviting me here as well to greet Kuya a happy birthday. And this is a big big opportunity to tell Kuya how she is so very kind to us. And God bless you, Kuya, and have a wonderful wishes and day today. Enjoy your day, Kuya. God bless.
Hello, good morning. I would like to thank you sa ating napaka-pogi at napaka-generous na sponsor, Sir Viking. Happy birthday! I know that you are so blessed person. Thankful so much that you always feel us that there is love through your overflowing blessings in the stream of Sisi Ganda Merns, and hope so that all the works in your hands, all the content that you made, God always.
Hi everyone. I want to greetings one people in sponsor Sis Mars. So, waiting ya. Hello Sir Viking. I'm Teresaline is TV wishing you happy birthday. I hope you are happy on this day. Because you are very important in your life. This is the day you were born. We only celebrate once a year. So we shall be happy. I wish you happy birthday, Sir Viking. Thank you for always sharing your blessing to Sis March, and thank you. Thank you so much. And again, happy birthday, Sir Viking. More success to your channel and to your family. And God bless you all. Always. Take care always. Yun lang. Thank you so
Hello, Kuya Viking. First of all, I want to say happy birthday. Enjoy your day. More birthdays to come and more candles to blow. Thank you for all the blessings. More power to your channel and God bless. 6 months, thank you po sa pag-invite.
Hi, hello, Kuya Viking. I just want to greet you a happy birthday and wish you all the best, more blessings to come, and enjoy your day. And thank you for always sponsoring Sis Merns Live. Thank you always. And God bless. Enjoy your day.
Hello po, Sir Vikings. Just wanna say happy birthday po and enjoy your day, Sir Vikings. Gusto ko pong magpasalamat kasi lagi po kayo nandyan para sa channel ni Sis Merns. And thank you po palagi kasi lagi kayo may sponsor. I don't know how to speak more English, Sir Vikings, but just wanna say thank you. More blessings, Sir Vikings. More birthday to come, and God bless you, Sir Vikings. I'm so nervous. Thank you, Sir Vikings, for always giving Sis Merns your sponsorships. And happy birthday.
Hi everyone, it's me, Jen in your heart, for today's video. Mute ko. Mic is there. For today's video, guys, I'm gonna greet and happy birthday, Brother Viking is in the house. Hello, Brother Viking. I'm just wanna say happy birthday to you. And yeah, more birthdays to celebrate. Good health and more friends, more subscribers. We are been almost 7 years, 8 years. We're friends here in YouTube, and since before and now, you're still a generous person. Thank you for always sharing your blessings to everyone, our friends here in YouTube. Thank you for your being so very supportive person. And yeah, more blessings, more power to you and your girlfriend, Osang, sis Osang Guapa. Yeah, more powers, more good health, love. Spread the good vibes, love, and joy. Happy birthday again, and thank you to Guapa Merns Bunti. Thank you for inviting me to greet a happy birthday to our beloved brother Viking. Our very generous friend. Yeah, he's also always sharing blessings to me. He's always also super chat to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. So, God bless you and enjoy your special day. Happy birthday! Happy 21st birthday, Brother Vikings! No. I'm just kidding. Happy birthday! This is me, Jean. Bye! Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you.